Akatin chitab Kalenjin eng witugul imitei itagat eng tetutieng'ung nebo tililindo rani. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma ak kabarastaindet eng oretab kabarunet ko Naomi Cherotich. Kounotok ko eng tetutiet nebo tililindo eng betutab rani ketindoi tonyo notok ko Estabet nebo Rodi Kenya nemakoi keng'alale akobo amitwogik anan minutik chok eng mbarenik ak kerichek chotok chekiboisie kesute. Kibwoti tugul kele ngonekit komitei kerichek chekebite tuguk eng imbar chotok chekoisto cabinet secretary nebo kabatisiet Mutahi Kagwe kokiisto kerichek cheitei 50 konotok nemeche sikekuschi kong kele ko amune asikeisto ako kerichek ngorcho chutok chenyolu ako nyolu keyai ne amukowechech eng or neune konotok ko ng'alalenyo neking'ololi ak Estabet nebo Rodi Kenya eng tetutiet nebo tililindo. Kobate no ko ngekuschi kong logoiwek chebo emet chebo betuni bo rani. Ole kitaune ole wendi kokerei county noto nebo Uasin Gishu kobun ministry nebo tililindo ak public health ko wendi kokere makaweshek somok chemaityin makutik chebo kwaldechi biikab emet amitwogik anan kosuldae chobetab amitwogik eng makawesiek. Ole kaimuch konam biik chotok cheite 40, kakinam biik cheite 40 chemaityin tetutik chebo tililindo. Iarorwech koindab logoiwechutok sirindenyo Isaac Koge kong'ete Uasin Gishu County.
Operation notok kaindochi ofisaekab tililindo chebo public health ak sanitation kobun county notok nebo Uasin Gishu kokaityi konam biik chesire 40 cheisuldoe boisietab aldaetab amitwogik eng makaweshek ak streets chotok chebo taonitab Eldoret.
Today we have arrested a couple of people who have not been compliant with the law. We are going to take legal action against them and advise them to correct where need be. We have approximately 40 people who we have arrested today. I have a few that of course we are going to give a notice for closure. We have 3 that will give a notice for closure because of, as you have seen, the hygienes were very poor.
Kosubkei ak CEO nebo tililindo Dr. Paul Wangwe Ongeti kosuldae operation notok koro kole kaityi biik tugul makutikab tililindo mising ko icheket chetinyegei ak chobetab amitwogik ak kiboitinik cheboisie eng makaweshek chotok.
Today we have been carrying out a regular exercise which is inspection of food premises, inspection of food outlets, just to ensure that there is compliance with the team, that there is compliance. The county government of Uasin Gishu under His Excellency Jonathan B. is strict in terms of matters hygiene. So we would wish that as a county we ensure that our populace is safe, that the food we are taking is safe, the water we are drinking is safe. So today we have gone round checking and in a friendly manner advising the business people who deal with food to ensure that they comply with the safety standards that have been prescribed.
Some icheket biik tugul chenomu makaweshek eng taonitab Eldoret kosuldae makutik tugul chotok chebo tililindo konamgei ak tetutik chotok chebo ministry notok nebo tililindo.
We have simple issues like food licenses, food certificates, food handler certificates that have to be renewed every 6 months. You go to a facility that is gazetted to do so under a public health officer. You go to the lab, get your results, and you get a food handler certificate. This has to be done every 6 months. We have further gone to check the kitchens, the various kitchens, and we have looked at the safety standards in those kitchens and the occupational safety around the kitchens. We have noted that some kitchens only have 1 outlet. We need to have more than 1 outlet in a kitchen so that in case of a fire, you can exit. Also, we need to have fire extinguishers in our kitchens so that in case of anything, we can be safe.
Akot kunotok komwae ofisaek chotok kole tesetai operation notok eng makaweshek tugul chemitei eng county notok nebo Uasin Gishu. Ole eng betutab rani kokoitoi notice notok nebo keker makaweshek chesire 3.
Actually, we found that their conditions were very poor.
Going forward, we'll do the same to ensure that our citizens get safe food in these establishments that are within town. We are also giving a warning to food hawkers who are in the streets, who are not working from a food establishment, that they will be apprehended because that is not acceptable in our city.
Kong'etika taonitab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Isaac Kogei.
Ketesetai komitei emoni president nebo emetab Finland Alexander Stubb eng rutoitonyi nebo betusiek 2 eng emoni. Kangalal akoityin kostyinet ak President William Ruto eng kotab boror, tuyet noton nekakiyai eng kotab boror yutok bo Nairobi, ole kangalal akobo kakimitet nebo tilyandit nemie eng kwenutab emotinwek chuto tuwai, ak kora kakimitetab sectors cheterter cheboto nebo somanet, nebo mung'aret, kimnatosiekab sitimet eng kwenutab tetutik alak chebo bandab tai chekakostyinechi.
How are you, sir? Welcome to Nairobi. Really lovely. Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you.
This is
Lovely to be here. Lovely to be
Thank
here.
you.
Hello, Rachel. Very nice to meet you. Hi. Thanks for the invitation.
We have witnessed the signing of 2 memoranda of understanding on political consultation and peace mediation and conflict resolution. Our respective teams will fast-track cooperation frameworks in education, tourism, and labor recruitment frameworks that will foster knowledge exchange.
We also talked about the big shifts that we're seeing worldwide in democracy in today's world. We talked about NGOs and the importance of their role in society. We have to remember that democracy is something that you not only have to protect, but you have to work at all times. And I think William and I share that goal. And we feel very strongly that working towards more liberal democratic societies where the rule of law is the basis and foundation, where human rights are at the center of whatever we do.
Kenya deeply values its long-standing friendship with Finland, a key development partner in Europe and a steadfast supporter of our national ambitions. This inaugural visit, Mr. President, reflects the enduring friendship and strategic partnership between our 2 nations dating back to 1965.
Finland is seeking close partners, and Kenya will certainly be one of them. I'm also happy that we have a big business delegation here today, because I do think that driving business interests, cooperation, is a good way forward, whether it's in the green economy, digitalization and technology, infrastructure, healthcare, or agriculture and agribusiness.
Aketesetai ko kakomongei lage eng meng'ik chebo county nebo Kericho ako sam bunge nebo National Assembly kosirto nebo ng'echeret eng commissioners chotok chebo commission nebo kibagengeitab lewenisiet nebo Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC chikolewen president asikobit kokochi kamuget nebo kotoi icheket boisienywa. Akenyoru sirindenyo Robert Siele kong'etegei county notok bo Kericho ak logoiwechuto eng koindo.
Kamwa alak en meng'ikab county nebo Kericho kole lewenetab Erastus Edung koek nebo ng'echeret en kibangetab lewenisiet nebo IEBC en emoni ko kit nebo kamanut nekoyai president nebo emoni Dr. William Ruto.
Okay, koinutik chu kekurenon Elijah Ruto, former councillor nebo Kericho Upper Town. So kwawapongezan awapongezeni rais en kulewen werotet koik chairman. Ang'ololen olen apongezani chechang nea.
Kainetik chu kekurenon Thomas Maritim, abunu Kericho ni. Amawekyi kongoi chito nekokichakwan korok ale congrats. Erastus Odong ko chito nesisoveni koek chairman nebo IEBC. One, tinye somanet neome, degreeisiek chon kisomonji chombo laws koome, mau ot cheu chekichecherera. So awekyini kongoi kabisa president en nomination nekonomineten chicho.
En koinutikyuk ko Joseph Arap Ng'eno, kokomoche kityo amwa ale kokiwekyi kongoi chairman nebo IEBC nekokichakwan. Chairman ini kobunu the minority team nekimong'u kele en somanenyin ko nekomut inendet kotai konyo kechakwan. Kit nomoche kityo en Kenyanis kikochi tugul nafasi. Yon kokechakwan chi kikoi nafasi koyai kasit ak kesapoten.
Kosubkei ak meng'ichoton ko en kasarta nekoi komatindoi yaitiet age tugul kibagengeitab lewenisiet en emoni kobaten kandoikab bolotet chemakat koyan walutikab lewenisiet en kasarwek tugul.
Kigere IBC ko mami betut ne IBC. Kiwoche kityo amun yon kakisindanin komeyoni kesindanin. Yani nekotelen kokisindanan inam ile kokichoren. So lembeita kityo nekikotestai kelenen kakichorenan. Mami chi nekikoam besyo kolele raini kikechorenan. So kongaker chairman ini konye ko amun Turkana. Makilenen kele biik chechang sinde kokakiba komostab Kolenjin mara kelenen kichang. Kakiba biik chetuten chekomokomee ng'echeret ako angen ale haki bichotet en ng'alekab election.
Nebo oeng kisome opposition leaders kokooperaten ak the government kosapoten chichi kokikonech matito wasten time. Mi constituency chematinye MPs representative, mi wardishek komomi time ako chito nekokichakwan ko referee kotimetinye kemit kesindonin. So advising opposition kopangankei ak kosapoten kityo koaccepten chito nekonyo.
Kasam komitii netinye kasirtoetab commissioners ichoton bo IEBC koboto MPs chebo emoni kosirto icheket asikokochi kamugetab kotoi boisiet en chokchinet.
Ak asome kityo wabunge alenen opitishan ochokyi kabisa. Akot asome Benjamin Langat alechi iku netai akinye ibirchi kabisa notet kabisa ako angen ale birchin Benjamin ine kabisa en yotet. Kisome opitishan chichi ko chichon boloten olin ko kikesoen bolet. So rais kilenjin kongoi neo neteng'weny ak barak ak kemuitate. Chuwachen oli kowache ot kingimuti lagok kebendi Israel. Moses ko kiwo Moses ak tabusiek kiwochote kounoto bichu. Mebare konome ra boriet bichu kibot kib kasartab Moses ko kibendi kounondo.
En kainet kekurenon Geoffrey Arap Kitur ameng'indetab Elgut. Kamoche amwa en ng'alekab nomination chebo IEBC. Chichon kokonech William, chairman kokonech William kokosom Maeria MP Songo ale pitishan chichon mara moja sinyokotestai kasit. Songo ng'ololchin wabunge alak chechoronokuk kipitishan chichon kechaktaen sinyokotestai kasit en Kenya. Ng'alekab opposition ko kikeng'etyi, kikenoiye ak ng'alekwak momi kiy neyoni bichon.
Kong'eten county nebo Kericho, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Eng tetutiet nebo ripset nebo itondab emet ko kaimong'e meng'ik kobun county nebo Bomet ak ofisaek kobun serikali akosuldae kolsetab ketik eng osnetab Chebalungu eng county notok bo Bomet. Aindochi kora rubeiwotab Head of Public Service Amos Gathesha ak Governor nebo Bomet Professor Hilary Barchok. Ole kamwa ichek kole kakol ichek ketik cheite 200,000 akotinye maket nebo kokanapta osnonoto.
Leo tuko hapa kupanda miti kwa hii forest ya Chepalungu. Tunatarajia kupanda miti 200,000 wakati huu. Mwaka uliopita tulipanda miti 300,000. Kwa hivyo sasa tutasema tutakuwa tumefikisha 500,000 trees ile tumepanda kwa hii forest. Lakini hii forest ni kubwa, kama vile nimesema iko na ekali 4,500 na tukifanya hesabu tunaona tunahitaji kupanda miti milioni 2. Kwa hivyo kazi ingali iko mingi na tutaendelea kufanya hivi, lakini ile kitu ya muhimu kama vile governor amesema ni kwamba tukipanda miti ichungwe ndio isipotee.
Kokitokyin kerai ni kemin ketik nekit 200,000 kikakimin en kenyit konye 300,000. So raini ngokesuke betuni ko kakemin ketik 200,000 sikobit keker kele kawekchigei osnetab Chebalungu ele kimi en kenyisiek chekikobataita amun osnoni ko kiking'em mising en kenyitab 2007 kot koit 2008, lakini nguni kiboiboi amun ketik chu kakimin en kenyini konye kekere kokorut ngandan kimeiyo alak noton nekokisom kele kimoche kora kemin ketik chenomegei ak ng'ung'unyatab ireu. Ak kemoche kesom wananchi chechok keboisien tugul kibagenge sikobit kowekchigei osnoni ele kimi. Amun osnet kobo maana. Mi ng'alekab kerichek, mi ng'alekab ropta, mi ng'alekab koristo netilil ak ng'alekab chebo mieindo ak chametabgei nebo emet nemuche komaet maat anan koet ropta kosir kiasi.
Ketesetai ko kakecher ketik chebo bodaboda eng county nebo Kericho koker kole kalewen icheket kandoik cheimuchi kondochi akokochi toretet eng kasarta nekabit kaimutik. Namwa nebo ngecheret eng chemung'arainikab bodaboda eng county noto Edwin Koros kole imuchi konyorune kelchin ketikab bodaboda mung'arenywa angot konyor kandoinatet neititaat.
Kong'ololjin ketishoni en oret ne inegen komwa nebo ngecheret en kibangetab chemung'arainikab bodaboda nebo Kericho County Bodaboda Association Edwin Koros kole kiyoe lewenisietab ng'echerok cheterter chebo chemung'arainikab bodaboda en county noton nebo Kericho kong'eten arawetab 11 en kenyiniton.
Chebo sub counties konome en arawetab 11 ak chebo county koyoe delegates, yoe biik chekikuren delegates en early next year, that will be around January February. Lakini main elections chebo sub counties keyoe en arawetab 11. Kit nebo oeng ko ng'o neyoche kosom koik chairman en Kericho County Bodaboda Association. Chito ne kikesir anan ne kikoregistan ge koik member anan mwanachama nebo Kericho County Bodaboda Association nekochin association nafas kosom ng'echeret agetugul nemoche including nebo sub county leadership ne chairman nebo sub county for example Ainamoi koyoche ko chito ne kikoregistan.
Kosubkei ak Koros komagat en chemung'arainik kebelchingei boroinwek cheterter kochopchigei ak kosub arorutik ng'atutik tugul chemokotin.
Ngot imoche iegu chairman nebo bodaboda, one konyolu ko imi bodaboda ak iyae bodaboda ak iyobu ak certain stage nengenin members chekuk kole noni ko one of our members ako eligible kosom ng'echeret. Number two ko makirigistani raini ak isom ng'echeret koron. Kot imoche imi bodaboda ak imoche leadership komwoe sheria kole akoi kokitar kenyit agenge en association nenyon nebo bodaboda kochomu ng'atutik anyun ngunon isom iegu chairman.
Kamwa Koros kole tetat kotelelchi lewenishonoton kibangeitab lewenisiet en emoni nebo IEBC en county nebo Kericho ak en grassroots kotelelchin delegates chekikelewen.
Finally, elections chechok chebo association kotelelchin IEBC as a recognized body netelelchin elections. Ko the other time ko kikaki approachen IEBC ako kikiyai elections chekororon chekomakomi disturbances in my leadership ak among'u ale we are going to do the same way yeit kasarato. This time around now koeku tofauti kidogo because anybody nesome ng'echeret ako eligible koyoche kogaramionji ng'alekab IEBC asikeyai a very free and democratic elections. So kamache koek official en biik kyok chebo bodaboda asikebakakten ng'alek chechang chebendote chekase komwoe biik kole mi elections koron, mi elections arawetab 6, mi elections arawetab 8. It is now officially tangazani ko chairman ale elections chebo bodaboda keyoe en arawetab 11 akoi arawetab 3 come next year 2026.
Kamwa Koros kole tesetai boisietab mung'aretab bodaboda en oret nenyolu en county noton ole kailos boisietab alak en kandoik kondochin seneta nebo Kericho Aaron Cheruyot en ang'ol kokotestai kokimit ak kokanapta sekta nebo bodaboda kobun toretosiek cheterter.
Ko kararan security nebo bodaboda, kararan biashara, kikepunguzan ng'alekab accidents, ng'alekab insecurity chekiakochang'a complaints chebo customers ko among'u ale bodaboda riders komuche kotestifyen raini kole kikararanit sekta, kikenyoru kit nekikuren sanity, kikenyoru order ak ketinye partnership ak kampunisiek cheterter. Wekini kora kongoi our senator Aaron Cheruyot, majority leader, amun en muguleldo netinye nebo chamet nechome bikyuk chebo bodaboda. Chamech Aaron ko ki bodaboda en Kericho County ko chamech amun ingelabotyi anan ngebechi en kasarta age tugul correspondeni komie.
Kong'eten county nebo Kericho, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Aketesetai kokayai tuyet eng betunito Cabinet Secretary nebo Treasury Dr. Chris Kiptoo ak Steering Committee netelelchin kabaraetab oret nebo Nairobi, Nakuru, Mau Summit, Eldoret, Malaba eng tetutiet neityin kobo komonut mising serikali. Kamitei eng tuyonoto PS nebo Interior Dr. Raymond Omolo, PS Engineer Joseph Mbugwa nebo ortinwek, PS Julius Korir nebo beek, Alex Washira nebo kimnatosiek ak kandoik alak. Kimongu kekirinda kaimutik che kikibaorionjin eng oranato akot koboto chiletabgei nebo karisiek ak nyasutikab oret. Yekitestai ak logoiwek ko tetat kikoito konunotoik chebo kabelikab labatet nebo Tinderet Barngetuny Mountain Run eng tarik 17 nebo arawanito bo mut eng kotab ureriosiek nebo Kipchoge Complex nemitei taonitab Kapsabet eng county nebo Nandi. Kamwa tetikab igorata kondochin nebo ng'echeret Joel Kemei koboto sirindet Peter Sang kole takchingei kora nito kolumda ichek tetetab labatanata edition nebo 4 netetat keyai eng arawet netai kenyini nyone. Kinyoru sirindenyo Nelson Tarbi asikoarorwech eng koindo.
Kamwa tetikab labatanato bo Tinderet Barngetuny Mountain Run kondochin nebo ng'echeret Joel Kemei ak sirindet Peter Sang kole kisulda eng oret nekararan labatanato edition nebo 4 nekikirwe eng arawetab agenge.
Labatani kenyini kiketar 18 January ako labatet nekiinegei nekikio kabisa. Ki labatet nekitinye rwoik chekichang, rwoik kikebwa 900 chekimi labatanito bo Tinderet Mountain Run. Kitinye toek chechang kobun tokwek chechang.
Koikakei kakoitetab konunotoik kosubkei ak chikilisiet nekikichil rwoik chekikebelis asikobit kenai ngot ko kiboisie ichek kerichek chetese kimnatet ole kaboibochi ichek nemakanyorchi rwoik kerichek choto.
Koyeke zawadi amu kosubkei ak sheria chekisubi chebo labatet amu labatani ko national championship, labatani kikikwei kora timitab Kenya ne qualify for world mountain run ke Spain ko kikabwa biikab doping ak WADA as a normal routine check nebo labatet eng any level in Kenya. So kikiip testing nebo rwoik top 10 ko South Africa ako komong results ako kororonen. So kiwone okay nao kikochi zawadi lao rwoik. Ya kamong tarbis komite shida ngele kuna bwana number 2 kemuveni kesto na bwana number 2 ayo number 3 we number 1. But nguno na bwana ko number 1 ako ibe kunoto zawadi we kikatar.
Nguno koek cherset noton eng rwoik tugul chebo Kenya kwa ujumla ak Nandi amu kimache korok koliepka koek biik che clean chemaboisie kerichek asikobit kobendi olimbo dunia ketinye akichek kainet ko ki Nandi.
Kounoto kotete ichek kokoito konunotoik eng tarikit 17 nebo arawani ole boisie ichek kora ikorata kolumda tetetab labatanoto edition nebo 5.
Lumdaetab labatet ak tetetab zawadi kiyoe wikintoni tarik 17 mokaswek tugul chekirwoe ak kokitai top 10 ichekei kosubkei ak loindo ak logistics chekitinye kokitai top 10 ak keyoe Kapsabet ak Kipchoge complex the only facility nekitinye eng Rift Valley nekikitech county ako mi facilities tugul chekeboisie yuto.
Kaikaite ichek kora kurset kochi sponsors cheterter kotoret ichek ole kewekchi ichek kongoi sponsors cheboto ketesio nebo Kass Media chekikotoret eng kasuletab labatanoto.
Ku KCB, Equity Bank, Cooperative Bank, Kabras Sugar, Chemelil Sugar, Chepsetio ak alak bana Tarbei chemamuchi amwa eng saisiek chuchu. Kora amache amwachi kongoi toek chekibwa eng betunot ku Head of Public Service nekinendet ku Chief Guest Honorable Farouk Kibet ak Senator nebo Kericho nesirei tugul kemwachini kongoi Honorable Julius Meli amu kikotelel koboto Tinderet Mountain Run kong'eten ketou akoi rani ngeng'ololi betutab Jumamos ketindoi kikoitoi konunotoik ak mi inendet mstari wa mbele nekokotach PS nebo sports asikobit konyo Nandi.
Kong'etegei county nebo Nandi logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Nelson Tarbei.
Ketesetai kotetat kotoigei ligit nebo urerietab chess eng emoni nebo Kenya Chess Premier League eng taonitab Kisumu eng weekend nenyone. Chebo timitab chess nebo KCB koureren ak eng kabelisionoto ako mache kosir kabelisiet eng wikit netai. Ni ko ng'alaletab alak eng urerenik chebo timinoto.
was a very intense event. Okay, KCB, we had a good, strong squad that we sent here. But apart from that, the number of young players here are very many. Actually, we have quite a few players from the Chess Kenya Elite Academy who are playing here, as well as young players from the Kiambu environs. So we are seeing that the level of competition in Kenyan chess is going up.
People outside there, because it involves the mental health and the physical well-being. So when the two are engaged, you find that guys are usually able to work well and also become physically fit. Hence, they can be able to avoid situations or issues such as back pains while in the working environment. KCB is promoting wellness through sports by always supporting our staff.
Ako yuto kokakituch kayumetab logoiwekab emet chekakibun kong'ete Kass TV eng oritab tetutieng'ung nebo tililindo rani. Kainenyu ko Chesankar Osirwa ak kabarastaindet nekimite tuwai eng oretab kabarunet ko Naomi Cherotich. Abwatun kityo ale kitindoi tonyo notok ko Esther Bet nebo Rodi Kenya ko eng kayamiset kebendi kenyoru ng'alalet notok tinyegei ak kerichek chotok chekibite amitwogik eng mbarenik chok ako tos amune sikomitei kerichek chekoisto cabinet secretary notok nebo kabatisiet Mutahi Kagwe eng konekit Meloitu asikobit kenai chechang.